Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Aditya, and today we are going to review OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Personally speaking, OnePlus has been one of my favorite brands, and this neckband was available at the price of 2K. So I was very excited and I ordered it as soon as the sale started. I'm doing this video a bit late, so please excuse me for it. Coming to the design of Wireless Z, it is foldable and can be carried in your pockets easily. The build quality also looks good and the band is available in 4 different colors. The earbuds also fix in your ears quite good, and the design of these earbuds are made that they fit in your ears perfectly. But they does not have the rubber extensions like Realme buds. The weight of this band is approximately 28 grams and it is very super comfortable to wear for long hours. The company claims that OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z features IP55 rating for sweat and water resistance, which makes it more reliable to use during exercise or during the running and walking sessions. It is said that it has improved wireless range for 10 meters. Now coming to the features, it has a feature like switching between the two pair device, and from my point of view this is very useful for the people who work in both laptops and phones simultaneously. It gets switched quite easily, and I have tried that it gets switched between the phones also quite easily. And you can slap the earbuds to pause the video and then take out to resume the video, but the resume works only in the OnePlus mobile, and if you are on the other mobiles you have to manually press the button to resume the video or the audio, and it works pretty smoothly. Coming towards the sound quality, it has a 9.2mm driver, which are a bit less when compared to other neckbands in this range. However, the sound quality is pretty much good, but the bass is not up to the mark. The mic quality is also very good, and I did not find any issues with the mic when I tried calling my friends, and the person on the other corner was able to hear my voice clearly. This is the sound recorded by the mic of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Let's talk about the latency while playing games. So I have played PUBG in my Note 7 Pro and I have found a bit lag in the sound. OnePlus says that it has latency mode support for the OnePlus phone. So I think it would be fine if you're playing on the OnePlus phone. Now coming towards the battery life, whoa, this is a game changer here. If your priority is battery life and the speed of charging, this backs the game. The battery life and the speed of charging is insane. It gives 20 hours of battery life on a single charge. I have found that it was lasted for 18 hours on a single charge. Certainly it depends on various other factors. It also supports fast charging, and it gives you 10 hours of battery life in just 10 minutes of charging. And trust me, this is the real game saver when you are in hurry. Okay, if you ask me whether the Bullet Wireless Z are worth for money or not, my answer would be yes, because I'm not that bass lover, and for me these are the ideal earphones because it has a good features like magnetic control and quick switching between the devices. But if you are a bass lover, I think you should try considering other options like Boat Rockers, Realme Buds, and also the Oppo Enco. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will respond it to you. Thank you guys.